What's up, YouTube? This your boy T Smith up on here. For those who already know who it is, what's up with y'all? Congratulations on everybody out there and their success and everything. Yeah, but let's get to it. Anyway, this is my first video, so just bear with me. Um, so yeah, and besides, I heard it's good, especially what I'm doing. Anyway, what you're looking at right here is a website uh, called Clickbank.com. For those who can't read, you just go to this website, plug this into Google or whatever, or the browser bar or whatever. Sign up, it's free, and make you some money just promoting other people's products. This is my check. As you can see, Tony, $204, $254, excuse me, and 70 cents. I got this check some weeks ago. I should have posted it when I first got it, but for one, I wasn't thinking, and two, my computer was messed up. But hey, it is what it is. You see it now. So yeah, 254. It's not a whole lot to brag about, or nothing like that. But hey, I'm making money for once. Cause I had this thing since like last year. I've been trying to do this little clickbank thing like since last week. So I mean not last week, last year, and I failed at it because I gave up almost, and I was too impatient. But since I had time on my hand, I just sat down and gave it another shot, and shit, just made my first check a few weeks ago, or whatnot. So just like I said, hopefully have some inspiration. This was to you, or whatever. If you got some other questions you want to know about, just get at me on Facebook or whatever, and I do my best from there. Like I said, anything else you don't understand, just go to YouTube. I mean, that's how I learn a lot of stuff too. Shit, I ain't afraid to admit it. Shit, cause a lot of people can't get no job right now. So like I said, for those who got Christmas coming up, early birthdays, late birthdays, whatever, you short on your income, whatever, and or maybe you got a job, you need to get some more money. Shit, fuck with it. You know what I'm saying? There's other websites like that too, so it's not the only one. You got Payday.com. You got practically anything that got an affiliate link to it. Like you can go on you go to Walmart.com and sign up in Amazon. Hey, as long as you know how to promote stuff, and you know how to do it well, whatever, and shit, fuck with it, make some money. But hey, this your boy T, and I'm out.